From potato to powder to dough to chip to stack to can to store to you. Not one human hand.
Six countries, one specification, one quality standard, one saddle shape. Every Pringles chip you've ever eaten was made entirely by robots. 1.5 billion Pringles, every single year, and not one human stacks them.
Pringles are not a potato chip. Legally, they're a fabricated snack, and that's exactly why robots can make them perfectly every time. One produces chips of random thickness, random shape. The other produces mathematical perfection every time.
Six ingredients, measured to the gram, by robots that never miscalculate.
The mixing hall. No human allowed inside during production. Every variable controlled that is mixed over 10 million batches. The dough is mixed to a precise consistency. Too wet, chips won't hold their shape. Too dry, they'll crack. The robot knows the difference. It measures while it mixes. 1.8 millimeters, exactly, across the entire width of the sheet. If one section is 1.9 millimeters, the robot adjusts the rollers in real time. 400 AI scans per second. If 1 centimeter of the sheet is wrong, it's removed before a single chip is cut from it. The saddle shape isn't aesthetic, it's engineering. It's the only shape that lets identical curved chips stack tightly enough to survive 10,000 miles of shipping without cracking. 150,000 cuts per hour. Every blank identical. Every blank ready for its shape. Flat now. But in exactly 0.08 seconds from this point, every single one of these ovals will be permanently curved into the saddle shape you've known your entire life. 0.08 seconds. That's how long it takes heat and pressure to permanently curve this saddle frame into each chip. The same mathematical curve on every single chip, across every factory, in every country, since 1968. 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 seconds. In that tunnel, pale dough becomes the golden, crunchy chip you know. In 15 seconds, the moisture content drops from 12% to 1.5%. The starch gelatinizes permanently. All of this locks and hooks to its shape permanently. The Maillard reaction, the same chemical process that makes your grilled steak brown, your toasted bread golden, happening to 150,000 chips per hour. The vibration frequency is calibrated by computer. Too slow and the chips are greasy. Too fast and the fragile chips crack. The robot finds the exact middle. Every chip, individually, temperature checked at 400 scans per second. Off by 10 degrees? Gone. The chip you get is always within a perfect temperature window. 75 degrees Fahrenheit exactly. If chips enter the seasoning drum too hot, the seasoning melts. That's the number. The robot holds it. The seasoning blend. A recipe unchanged since 1967. Exactly 0.3 seconds to coat every chip, applied by robots. 6 meters long, 22 rotations per minute. The geometry of the drum is designed so that every chip tumbles through the spray zone exactly the same number of times. Before, golden. After, the orange you know. 0.3 seconds of automated precision turns every chip into exactly the flavor experience the recipe demands. 8 flavors simultaneously, each drum sealed from the others. 0 cross-contamination. The computer ensures every drum maintains exactly the right spray rate for its specific recipe. 2.1 grams underweight. You'd never know. The robot knows. That chip goes to reprocessing. It will never reach a can. The stacking robot is the most precise food production machine on Earth. Watch what happens next.
6,000 chips, stacked, per minute, in perfect alignment, by a machine that never gets tired.
4.2 seconds. One chip's entire journey from seasoning to stacked inside a can, automated at every single step. Random orientation in. Perfect alignment out. The system uses air pressure calibrated to the exact weight of a Pringles chip. Enough to rotate it, never enough to break it. This is happening 120 times per minute, in 50 tubes, simultaneously, right now. The robot never misaligns a single chip.
30 chips, every can. Not 29, the can would rattle. Not 31, the lid wouldn't close. Exactly 30. The robot has never miscounted.
The AI sees a fracture. In 2 seconds, that chip is gone. The 10 chips around it, this happens 400 times per hour. 50 tubes, each filling independently, each counting to 30, each completing and resetting, 24 hours a day. The synchronized precision of these 50 systems is the heart of the entire factory. 30 chips, nested by design, held by geometry, made by robots that have repeated this exact movement over 50 billion times. 2.3 millimeters between the chip edge and the can wall. Engineered in 1967, maintained to the same tolerance across 1.5 billion cans per year. 33 cans, every second. Each base sealed with exactly 180 pounds of pneumatic force. The robot arm has applied over 2 billion lids without a single misalignment. The foil is heat bonded at 3 Han is what creates the pop when you open a can. And that pop, it tells you the nitrogen seal inside is intact.
That sound, you've heard it before every Pringles you've ever eaten. A robot makes that sound 2,000 times per minute.
33 cans, every second. That's how long this has been playing, about 7 seconds, meaning 231 cans have been sealed since you started watching this. That code, 12 digits, contains the entire history of that can, farm to factory to shelf. If there were ever a recall, every can from that batch could be located within 4 hours. Nitrogen replaces the oxygen inside every sealed can. Without it, the fat in the chips would oxidize, going stale in days. With nitrogen, that shelf life extends to over 18 months. The label seam falls within 0.5 millimeter of the designated alignment point, on every single can. The robotic label applicator has applied over 2 billion labels without a single rotation error.
47 cameras, 1 AI system, and 1 person, not to make the chips, but to ensure the AI is making them perfectly.
The AI grades every chip on 3 parameters simultaneously: shape conformance, color uniformity, and seasoning coverage. Below 95 on any parameter, that chip never reaches a can. Zero waste. Every rejected chip finds a use. Animal feed, food starch, industrial processing. The Pringles factory discards nothing. The checkweigher is the final automated guardian. If a can is even 1.3 grams underweight, a single missing chip, it never reaches the store. This machine has weighed over 3 billion cans without a single miscalibration. Every 30 minutes. Automated collection, automated testing. The chips that pass these tests are the chips you eat. The chips that don't, that batch never ships. 400,000 data points generated every second. The AI monitors all of them. When something drifts by even 0.1% outside optimal, the system flags it. The human decides whether to act. The case packing robot places 24 cans in each box with positioning accuracy of 2 millimeter. It has never dropped a can, never misplaced a can, never needed a break. Each sealed case is coded with a unique barcode linking it to its specific batch, production time, and destination distribution center. From this moment, the case is trackable anywhere in the supply chain. 72 cases, 1,728 cans, 51,840 individual Pringles chips on 1 pallet, stacked by a robot in 4 minutes 12 seconds. Wrapped, coded, documented, ready for the automated warehouse system. The robot that stacked it has already moved on to the next pallet. The warehouse manages itself. 50 million pounds of Pringles at any given time, every pallet tracked, every AGV route calculated, every destination known. Zero human pickers.
31,104 cans, on their way to your city. Zero human hands loaded this truck.
In the time since this video started, approximately 9 minutes, approximately 22,500,000 Pringles chips have been made in facilities like this one worldwide. That's more chips than the population of New York City, made while you watched it.
Stack every Pringles can made in a single year end to end, and you'd reach the moon. Nearly 5 times.
If you laid every chip made in 1 year side by side, they'd cover 47,000 football fields. And every single one, geometrically identical. Made by robots. 6 days from potato field to your hands. The robots do their part in under 10 minutes. The rest of the time, transport, testing, and waiting for you. From raw ingredient to sealed can, not one human hand. Not one.
6 countries, 1 specification, 1 quality standard, 1 saddle shape, identical chips, every time, everywhere.
This pop, this stack, this chip, all of it made without a single human hand. 1.5 billion times a year. This pop, this stack, this chip, all of it made without a single human hand. The chip you're eating right now, someone on a factory floor never touched it. A machine mixed it, a machine shaped it, a machine fried it, a machine stacked it perfectly, every time.
3 a.m. The robots don't know. They never stop. But somewhere in the world, a robot as you see him is the first one it ever made.
From potato to powder, to dough, to chip, to stack, to can, to store, to you. Not one human hand. The robots don't exist without the people who design them, program them, and watch over them. 0 human hands on the chips, thousands of human minds behind the machines. 750 times faster, 99.97% consistent, never tired, never sick, never needs a break. The robots produce the uniform, safe, consistent product at the price point that means almost everyone can afford it. That's the point. The same automation that makes Pringles at scale also makes them more efficiently. Less water, less energy, less waste per chip than any human-operated process could achieve. The can has barely changed because it was right the first time. Designed in 1967 to work with robotic production, before most factories used robots. The robot wasn't designed around the chip. The chip was designed around the robot. Since 1967.
Next week, we're inside the Doritos factory, and the cheese powder robot might be the most satisfying thing we've ever filmed. Subscribe. You have been warned.
Next week, we're inside the Doritos factory, and the cheese powder robot might be the most satisfying thing we've ever filmed. Subscribe. You have been warned. If this video genuinely satisfied you, tap like. It takes 1 second and tells the algorithm to show this to people who would love it. Thank you. Every week, we go inside a different machine that builds the world around you. I'm Alex, and I'll see you inside the next one.